Okay. Jain gentlemen,
Jain sir.
how are you all?
Fine sir.
Okay, so we are here for your group discussion. So all you are aware about how GD works?
Yes sir.
Okay, so let me give a small instruction how the GD goes. So GD is divided into three parts. First will be your written, second will be your narration, and third will be your group discussion. And in the written part, all you have been provided a rough sheet and a fair sheet.
Yes sir.
Okay. So what you have to do, I am going to narrate a topic for 5 minutes and you have to write it on your rough sheet. After that, I'll give you 10 minutes to figure this out. Remember, this topic will not contain a title. So you have to mention a title on your rough sheet as well as in fair sheet. And in fair sheet, you have to underline it so it can be visible clearly. Okay?
Yes sir.
Write in point format in your fair sheet this paragraph. Okay? And after completion of 10 minutes, I am going to collect your rough sheet and fair sheet as well, and we will further proceed to your narration part. Understand?
Yes sir.
Okay, so we'll start with the narration.
Yes.
Okay, so write. Government of India launched a Startup India campaign to encourage entrepreneurship in India's young generation who, despite being skilled and able to launch their ventures, become dependent upon various types of jobs and remain underemployed. Startup India is focused to restrict the role of states in the policy domain. It proposes to abolish the license Raj along with other obstacles like land permission, foreign investment proposals, environmental clearances, among others. The government has already launched iMade. This is an app development platform aimed at producing 10 lakhs apps by apps and the Mudra Bank, a new financial institution set up of development and refinancing activities related to micro units with a refinance fund of $200 billion. ₹200 billion. A startup is an entity that is headquartered in India, which was opened less than 7 years ago and has an annual turnover of less than 25 crore rupees. Department of Science and Technology have partnered in an initiative to set up 75 startup support hubs in the National Institute of Technology, that is NIT, IIT, and institutes like that. The Reserve Bank of India has assured to take steps to help improve the ease of doing business in the country and contribute to an ecosystem that is for the growth of startup businesses. SoftBank, with its headquarters in Japan, has already invested $2 billion into Indian startups. Total investment from SoftBank is expected at 10 billion US dollar. Google has declared to launch a startup based on the highest votes, in which the top 3 startups will be allowed to join the next Google Launchpad week, and the final winner could win an amount of 1 lakh US dollar in Google Cloud credits. Under the scheme, a group of startups will acknowledge an MOU with the prestigious institutions and will also establish the startup centers on the campus. NIT Silchar is one of the institutions of the country to have joined the program. IIT Madras is also linked with Startup India campaign. The institution has been successfully managing the IITM Research Park, which has incubated many startups. Okay, ladies, thank you. Okay, stop writing. Okay, so everybody completed with their rough sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you have 10 minutes to figure this out. Okay, your 10 minutes starts now. Okay, stop writing. Okay. So everybody understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
Topic was good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to collect your rough sheet and face sheet. So all of you pass over your rough sheet and face sheet from the next chest number and give to the chest number 5. Pass over the sheet. Do it fast. Okay, so now we have completed with the written part, so we will further proceed to your narration part. So for the narration, each candidate will be awarded 1 minute. Okay, so in the 1 minute, I want first of all your introduction. So in the introduction, you will mention your name, the region you belong to, your qualifications, your hobby, and the reason to join Air Force. Remember, keep your introduction short and crisp so that you can get maximum time to narrate your topic. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So after completion of chest number 5, chest number 2 will immediately start. Okay. So further proceed to chest number 10. So after completion of chest number 10, we will immediately start the group discussion. For the group discussion, you will be awarded 15 minutes. Okay. So in the GD, remember, no need to create fish market. Give everyone chance to speak. We'll start with chest number 5.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Geeta. I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th class from Apex Senior Secondary School, Jodhpur. My hobbies are playing badminton and bike riding. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is adventure life and disciplined career. Here's my views on the topic. The topic is startup in India. Startup in India is a boon of young engineers. Startup in India is an initiative launched by Government of India in 16 January 2016. Startup in India is decrease unemployment, and startup in India is create new ideas for young engineers, for new business. For example, companies Ola, Paytm, and Zerodha. Big dream for young engineers. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sinsi Jangid. I have completed my 12th Government Senior Secondary School Vidyar. I belong from Nagaur, Rajasthan. My hobby is playing table tennis. I want to join Indian Air Force because to serve the nation and support my parents. Here's my views on this topic. Startup India. Startup India was launched in 2016 to promote entrepreneurship and innovation. The government was established rupees 10 crore fund to support startup. It aims to create a ecosystem supportive for startup with the funding, entrepreneurship and opportunities. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Payal. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th from Government Senior Secondary School, Astera. My hobbies are listening music and spending time with my family. I want to join the Indian Air Force to serve the nation and support my family. Here is my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a government initiative that aims to encourage new ideas and support young entrepreneurs. It provides funding, tax benefits, and easy registration to help startup grow. Startup grow. Startup grow. Startup grow. Help India to become an innovation hub. It encourages youth to start their own business. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Nirma. I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I pursued my BSc from Veer Tejak College, Nagaur. My hobbies is listening song. I want to join Indian Air Force to support my family. Here's my views on the Startup India. Startup India initiative scheme is launched by the Government of India in 2016. It aims to encourage entrepreneurship and innovation across the country. It provides many job opportunities for youth generation.
Overall, this is aims to promote ecosystem across the country. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Surya Kawar. Currently I am pursuing BSc first year from KN Girls for College. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I love to play hockey and I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to prove myself. Here is my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is launched by Government of India in 2016. Its aims to Startup India is launched by Government of India in 2016. Its aims to promote entrepreneurship and innovation all around the world. As we all know, India is facing problem. The youth generation is facing problem from unemployment. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Asha. Currently I am pursuing my BA second year from Government College Nagaur. I belong to Kuchaman Didwana district from Rajasthan. My hobby is giving water to birds in every morning. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation with pride and support my parents. Here's my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is one of the most impactful initiatives launched by the Government of India in 2016 to boost innovation and entrepreneurship. It aims to transform India from a job-creating nation to job-seeking nation. It by supporting young innovators, which simplify registration, funding support, and fast-track patent process. Thank you, Jai.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Dilkush. I belong to Pali, Rajasthan. I am pursuing BSc B.Ed from Nagaur. I like listening to music. My aim is to join Indian Air Force to support my family. Here's my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India launched in 2016. It initiative the government to foster innovation, create job, and build a strong startup ecosystem, offering process and tax. It help engineers to create their ideas into a business. For example, like companies like Ola, Paytm started with the engineers who dreamed big and use technology to solve any problems. Under the seed fund scheme, the government 15 lakh rupees are promoting to support startups, increase startup. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Bhavna Bishnoi. I belongs to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have completed my schooling from Army Children's Academy, Jodhpur. My hobby is playing badminton and I want to join Indian Air Force to improve my personality. Here are my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a flagship initiated by the Government of India, launched in 2016 to build a strong ecosystem to create jobs and entrepreneurship and innovations. It proposed to abolish the license Raj, along with some obstacles like land permission and foreign investment proposals. It can be much improved by to encourage the private sector investments and to simplify the process of loan application process. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Tanya. I am from Jalan, UP. Currently I am pursuing my graduation. My hobby is to dance. I want to join Indian Air Force to make my father proud. Here is my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India is an initiative launched by the Government of India in 2016 to promote entrepreneurship ecosystem, to boost the ecosystem and also increasing the employment in India. As it aims to make the India from a nation to a job seeker to a nation of job creation. And government is also providing many supports to the employer to make this Startup India program to a very high level by providing the bank loans to the needers who needs the small good businesses to improve their the business on a high level or a global level, or also Government of India is helping them by giving them relief to the income tax for 3 years, and we should also help them by prioritizing the small food businesses, small businessmen, or also by providing the Indian entrepreneurs by instead of the foreign ones, to encourage them to make their business big, or enter the big market. Jai Hind, thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Bhumika Saini. I have completed my 12th Saransh Career Institute. My hobbies are playing badminton. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation. Here is my views on the topic. The topic is Startup India. Startup India. The Indian government launched the Startup India program and increase the businesses to India's young generation. We should increase the small businesses to promote the India's independence. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Pooja Galut. Basically, I have completed my 12th class from RBC board, and now I am graduation B first year from Jan University. I am from Jodhpur. My hobby is reading short story when I am free. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my dream. Here is my views on the topic of Startup India. Startup India is for job development, was announced on 16 January 2016, but the campaign was first announced by Narendra Modi on his first speech on 15 August 2015. Startup India is a revolution schemes because that helps the people start their own business. Startup India provides funding and self-certification, and Startup India program is a many beneficial ways, as it provides funding. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Babita. Basically, I have completed my 12th in Uttar Pradesh. I want to join Indian Air Force because they provides adventurous life. Here's in views on my topic, Startup India. Startup India is flagship innovation launched by the government of India in 16 January 2016 to build innovations and ecosystem and creates a job. Startup India also decreases unemployment in India and create 1.7 billion jobs for Indians youth. And Startup India is also be benefits for taking jobs and thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Anshna and I did class 12th from Bal Navjeevan Senior Secondary School, Hanumangarh, and I belong from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. My hobby is reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because my family feels proud of me. Here is my view on the topic, Startup India. Startup India announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Independence Day in 2015 and is officially announced on 2016, and its aim to increase internship of India's generation, and India's rank third largest. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ankita Singh. I am from West Bengal, Howrah. I recently completed my high school from ISC board. My hobbies include reading books, and I want to join Indian Air Force as it provides saturated and disciplined lifestyle. Here's my view on the topic Swadeshi, Make in India for India. As the father of our nation in 1906 made this campaign possible for our people so that we can make in our country for our people. We have seen in the past how India and China relationship has been going. We are not on the good terms, we cannot deny that fact, but we are still trying. So keeping that in our mind, the trade relationships aren't good, but we export from China. If we make this campaign possible by supporting small businesses, we won't be dependent on China further anymore. Well, the big companies such as Reliance, Tata Limited, they are making their efforts to promote small businesses in our country itself. Now, it's up to us how we see it. As the small companies like Blinkit, Zomato, and furthermore has proven themselves in the sector, how they've gone rising from dawn to dusk. So, it's our responsibility as an individual to promote small businesses as much as we can. As an individual and as a citizen of our India, it is up to us how we take this campaign seriously and make this possible. It's not only our government but our responsibility to make this campaign possible. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The Startup India significant role in India's social and economical.
Startup India is launched by Government of India in the 16 January 2016, and it helped defense sector like AI, drones,
I agree with chess number 5 and 20, as they have also mentioned in their narration part how small companies like Blinkit or PhonePe, they have risen from dawn to dusk. So what I'm saying is the people who made this possible and our government, so we should encourage this scheme furthermore.
By 2025, the Startup India made India the world's third largest ecosystem.
According the reports, up to 80 to 90% startup fails because lack of business experience and lack of funds.
As we all know that the government has also recently launched the scheme, the Pradhan Mantri Small Food Enterprises, to encourage the small food businesses by providing them bank loans and also help them through the training.
I agree with chess number 9, as she is saying that our government is promoting it. Similarly, our IT hubs and our academies are also promoting this scheme, such as IIT Madras and NIT.
Startup India promotes innovation and new ideas.
Startup in India is to build the ecosystem.
Investors.
Startup India provides funding.
SoftBank with its headquarters in Japan has also invested $2 billion in Startup India.
Startup India is reduces unemployment and many people's
Chess number 2
job.
and 18, as they are saying that the outer countries are also promoting this scheme, as they believe in us and we believe in them, because we have a good relationship. But there are also many countries who doesn't have such, we are not on a good term, so it's up to us how we include this.
I agree with the chess number 10, but we should also have help the initiative launched by the government by promoting the small businesses and also by promoting the Indian businesses over the foreign ones.
Over 51% startups have
Ministry of HR
Startup India by exporting with many countries.
Startup India creates more job opportunities.
Startup India also increase India's GDP.
I agree with chess number 9 and 16, as they are saying we should
I agree with you, chess number 19 and all of you, and let the chess number 13 speak.
Startup India's provide all benefits like unemployment decreases in India and creates all jobs for human youth.
We should increase the small businesses to promote India's independence.
I agree with you, chess number 11. Under this mission, thousands of innovators and escalators and startup hubs have been creating, making India the world's third largest ecosystem.
Startup India build confidence and risk-taking mindset.
I agree with you, all of you, and as I was saying, it's an individual's responsibility too to promote this scheme. The government itself cannot make this scheme possible.
I agree with you all, and the government is also promoting many schemes like entrepreneurship scheme to support the local areas and the downcast as like ST and also women. So we should. It's also our duty to promote these schemes as more as we can by also giving reviews on the online platforms over the small apps and over the all small grocery shops and all the small businesses.
Ministry of HRD and Department of Science and Technology.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Chess number 17 or chess number 8? Do you want to speak something? Do you want to speak something?
Yes.
Okay, let chess number 17 speak. Yes, speak.
Startup India program is many beneficial ways. Is it provides help the people start their own business.
8.
It's my opinion. Startup India is an online program for making mentorship all and.
Okay, chess number 8.
It's create over 1.6 billion jobs.
You want to speak something? No? Okay. So thank you, everyone. That's your GD.
Thank you.
You all participated well.
Yes, sir.
And all the best and best of luck for your future. Okay?
Thank you.
And Jai Hind.
Yes, sir.